not safe in this. My mom's car thing fell off. It fell off. Ew, it's disgusting as well. My dad told me to put it in the back. The thing broke off. Oh, jeez. This is crazy. Also, I just saw a lightning bolt hit over there, somewhere over there. It was like near the Sam's Club thing. I don't know. My lights turned off. My lights turned off. My lights! Bro, my lights turned off. Help! It ain't safe. Oh, once again. Okay, we're back to my drawing. This is me right now. Well, how I was before. How I was before. How I am right now. That's a lightning bolt. And I get electrocuted. I die! I die! The end. My life is full of violence. Oh, jeez! My dad has a tire! My dad has the tire! My father has a tire! What is he gonna do with that tire? I'm scared I'm gonna get wet. Once again, I don't care. Wow! It's so cold! Bro, it's so cold! That looks so cool, actually. I don't know if you guys can hear the thunder, but that was crazy. I'm also gonna go eat some chips. I'm hungry. Where are my chips? Where are my chips? My chips were electrocuted. No, I lost them. No, I didn't. But yeah. Okay, my lights turned off again. Really scary. But I like it. Give me the rest of it. Okay. It stopped raining. Never mind. No, it didn't. Well, it's like going down. It's not raining so hard anymore. It's not raining! Woo! The window's open. Oh, jeez. Let's try closing it. Oh, I feel so close. No wonder. I felt like rain going down my back. I'm like, ah! Look. Could you guys hear that? No. Right now I'm in Downey by my church. By the Fred Lawyer Insurance. And in front of the Sam's Club. By a Burger King, by a Denny's, by a Dollar Tree, by a WSS, Edwards 20 Cinema, Curacao, Granny's, what the, yeah, whatever, doesn't matter. It's freaky here. Bruh! There's a guy who's right, never mind, there's two people. And the girl. I don't like my life right now. It's so scary. You guys can see a lightning bolt right now. Or just like a thunderbolt. Look, that's a guy from our church. Bruh, say hi. Bruh. Oh yeah, it's gonna be way better in here. Well, it looks a little better. It ain't raining that hard anymore, so I'm kind of happy. And I found a dead flower anyways. I dropped a dead flower anyways. Sorry. Okay, let's just put this here. Put you there. Perfect. Get to smell this. That smells so bad. I mean, so good, but it smells so much. Bruh. And the dad's like, he's looking at the place where the, oh my goodness, dad's coming. So bye guys. Yeah. Subscribe. And wish me good luck. Goodbye.